So there was some really crappy old wiring here, and one of the wires wasn't even connected, so now I've joined them all up and put a fresh lead and cleaned up the spot where it connects, and then I'm going to rust proof the rest of this area and wrap up all of those wires and fix some really bare, dangerous looking wires that are up here. Okay, so the boot's been all cleaned up with a wire brush and some wax and grease remover and vacuuming and brushing. It's looking a lot more respectable back there now. All that surface rust has been dealt with. That's been rewired up with fresh wire. Onto the plate, I've wrapped up the cords, got rid of any of the exposed cords, just traced them through. So it's looking a lot better now. And then I'll be able to put my carpet back down once it dries. Just did a quick confirmation that the all the wiring's working for the lights, blinkers.